Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. This is a video for complete beginners about how to say the days, the months and the date in French. Let's start with the days. Be very careful with your accent when you say them. Monday is lundi. It's not lundi like I hear a lot of the time. It's lundi. The sounds are quite sharp. Lundi. And the E at the end is not an A, it's a E like a double E in English. Tuesday, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. Thursday, jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Saturday, samedi. We tend to skip the middle E there. Sunday, dimanche, the only day that starts with D. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Now for the months. January, janvier, February, février, March, mars, April, avril, May, mai, June, juin. Lots of vowel sounds in there. Juin, juin. Let's carry on. July is juillet. Notice here the I-double-L in the middle of juillet behaves like a Y. If you've forgotten all that, just refer back to the French phonetics video. So there's no L sound, it's juillet. August is another odd one, it's août. We should say the A and leave the T out, but it's backwards actually, we say août. We say août in Paris. Outside of Paris, a lot of people sometimes say août. You will hear both. September is septembre. October, octobre, November, novembre, December, décembre. The date is interesting in French because it's actually easier than it is in English. So let's take as an example Sunday, the 10th of July. That's how you say it in English. In French, we would say dimanche, 10 juillet. So you only need to say Sunday, 10 July. It's not complicated, is it? The one thing you have to remember, as I always say in French, there's one rule, lots of exceptions. There's one exception here, it's for the first of each month. Whereas in English, you say Monday, the 1st of March, we say lundi, 1er mars, which is why you need that ER there, premier. And that's the only time you will use anything other than the actual number. Of course, if you don't need to give the day, if somebody says, oh, what's the date today? And you say, oh, the 23rd of November. In French, le 23 novembre. Follows the same rule, just replace the with le. The one thing to bear in mind when you're going to write the date down is the days and the months do not have a capital letter in French, unlike English, unless they start a sentence, which is why I put a capital on all of them in this video, because they're the first word of the sentence, if you like. Normally, they're just a normal noun, really. That's it for now. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Comment below if you have any questions. And if you want to claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, just click the link in the description. À bientôt!